What a shit, like, what just a shitty, just a shitty asset. Like, listen, crypto, fine.
Yeah.
Hedge, fine. I want to understand. Okay. All right. Sorry. let me start here. You could buy Doge. You could. There's a lot of people in our chaos crew that will make money off Doge.
Yeah, they already have.
And if you are in it, like, this is a great opportunity because I don't think this is the end of the hype, the public hype.
Yeah.
And you're going to see more and more. We saw a tweet from Elon. You talked about Snoop. Mark Cuban commented on it.
Yep.
You're going to see more commentary on it. When I am out, I was out last night for a birthday party. When I am out and I hear people that are not in the market talk about how they bought Doge, something's up. What they don't realize is, guys, by the time you hear it, if you're not in the market,
it's already too late. Yeah.
It's too late. This is an exception because I think the hype will continue to build. But here's a problem. For anybody who is new to trading or who doesn't trade and this is their foray, shame on you, number one. Number two is the biggest mistake people make, we talk about it all the time, you're going to get into it without an exit strategy and you're going to be holding the bag. That's just the reality of it.
Yep.
The reason why some people will have success and some people won't is due to exit strategy and lack of greed. For everybody saying it's going to hit $1, I would bet anything that it ain't hitting $1. For damn sure this year it ain't hitting $1. And if everybody's trying to push it to that number, $1, it's never gonna get it there because who's gonna pay $1.05 or $1.50?
Right.
So sounds great. But
This feels a lot like GameStop, bro.
But yeah, I mean, I got no problem if you just want to flip and play the hype, but that means you have a basic understanding of technicals and movement and momentum. Yeah. I'm okay with that. But for those of you who just are literally pulling numbers out of the sky and have no, like, it's going to go to $1. Why? Why is it going to go to $1?
Yeah. Just because you say it is.
Yeah. So that's how I feel about it. It's to me, it's, sorry, I have a great point to make, but I want you to, I'm just annoyed right now. Go ahead.
No, I just agree with you. So we call it the cheese call condom pick of the week because you might get pregnant or you might not. So you might get screwed over or you might not for the next 18 years. Who knows? But for this, it's like, it's already gone up so much, even just in the last 2 weeks, it's doubled. So, I mean, since the whole GameStop BS started, in the last 2 days, it's doubled. And so,
yeah, since Elon's tweet.
Yeah. So, I was looking at the 5-minute chart. So yeah. I mean, and people are just, this happens all the time. Even with Tesla, Elon will tweet something and people just start buying Tesla because Elon said something. So, it almost feels like though that Elon is potentially just trolling these people.
He is 100%.
He's the king of memes, and Doge is the memeiest crypto there is.
He is trolling them. I don't think he's doing it to try to screw them. I think he's really trying to stick it to the institutions. But I think at some point he's going to have to stop. Not because of him, but like somebody's going to say either the SEC is going to crack down on him, or his own board is going to, because this is not a smart move. Right. I get it, but it's not smart. This is what's been on my mind, and I've been waiting till today to bring it up. If you humor me, I'm going to tell you the top 10 richest people in America. Number 1 is Jeff Bezos, Amazon.
Well, now it's Elon, but yeah.
Okay, sorry. You're right. It is Elon. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, Larry Ellison, Oracle, Steve Ballmer, Microsoft, Larry Page. This was before the Elon Musk move, so this might be adjusted. This is not the point of what I'm about to say. Larry and Sergey from Google, and Alice Walton from Walmart. Okay, those are the top richest people in America. What people have to realize is these luck spec plays, people don't get rich off. Right. They just don't. All those people, they have a common thread. They played the long game.
Yeah.
None of them got rich in a couple years, right? They played the long game. They found an opportunity and they were patient. And for everybody in the market that's trying to just find the next GameStop or whatever, nobody's ever going to be successful finding the next GameStop.
Right.
And that's the point, is like, if you're just trying to think about how can I double my account in the next 3 months, you're grossly mistaken. What you should be thinking about is, how do I gain the skills and the fundamentals to do this for the next 25 years of my life?
Yeah.
And you're going to have the compounding factor behind you. So when Jeff Bezos started his company, and I think they went public in 97? When they went public in 97, and all along the way, for the first, let's just say 10 years of the company, everybody's like, it's overvalued, it's losing money, it's bullshit. Like, nobody was investing in it, right?
Yeah.
But if you did your due diligence and you understood your fundamentals and you invested in that company, you would be in a far better off position than if you would have did whatever that spec play was of 1997 or 2000, which was ironically also the dot-com bubble. So everybody's talking about the bubble and how big tech is the bubble. Big tech is not the bubble. This is not, it's so stupid that people, getting fired up.
I mean, continue.
It's so stupid that people are trying to compare big tech, Apple, Amazon, Google to the dot-com bubble. These are different.
Yeah.
These are great companies that are making tons of money.
Literally
right?
in the dot-com bubble, literally hundreds of companies were going public and people were buying the shit out of them.
Yeah.
And they had no revenue. They had no business model. They had nothing.
So that's where people are missing the point.
Yeah.
There is something that's similar to the dot-com bubble. It's not big tech, it's crypto.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right, yeah.
And so pay attention, people. And you want to call me, you want to dog me, you want to do whatever, Dogecoin, you want to do whatever, do it. But 10 years from now, I'm still going to be in the market.
Right.
You may not.
Right.
I hate to say it. And our bulls and our bears will be in it.
Yep.
So it's really embarrassing if that's what you get into. Buy a share of Apple, buy a share of Amazon, make $3,500 and buy a share of Amazon and thank me in 10 years.
You want to gamble? Buy some Dogecoin. That's really what it comes down to. So, that's Doge all day, bitches. These comments are hilarious. Yeah, I mean, look, it is what it is. It probably will continue. Some of you guys are in it. It's going to be just like GameStop. They're going to tell us we were idiots, and it'll go to crazy numbers. But at the end of the day, the rug will get pulled at some point. The rug will get pulled, just like I said it will with GameStop, and it got pulled hard. So I think that'll probably end up happening. I'm
not going to get into it. I'm in Ethereum. I've made it clear that Ethereum is one I do think has a use case, and I like it as a hedge.
Well, you have institutions in PayPal that, you know, and stuff like that. So with Bitcoin and Ethereum, those are legitimate. This was literally designed just to be a joke, and now people are just buying it.
Dogecoin is a YOLO trade, and if you just want to have fun, have fun. But again, just like the lottery, people that are successful don't make their money off the lottery.
Right.
And people who win the lottery end up losing all their money.
Right.
It's like proven. It's so I'm okay. If you want to throw 500 to it, 1,000 to it, do whatever you want.
If you can afford to lose it, fine.
I think there is a good opportunity to make a spec play here. I think this is a great time for a spec play, but this thing moves quick, and you need to treat it like a penny stock, and you need to understand where you're getting out.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not $1. So that's all I'll say. I'm done.